Every single day, somewhere around the world, an airplane takes off. Now, as we go through our everyday lives, this is occurring thousands of times a day. And unless we're traveling on a plane, we hardly ever even notice. Planes are traveling to another city, another state, or sometimes even to another country. Upon reaching its final destination, planes drop off their most precious cargo, most of the time, passengers. Before any plane takes off again, it goes under maintenance. For the most part, maintenance is occurring not because something happened at its previous destination or in mid-flight. Airplane companies do maintenance to ensure the success rate of the next flight. Unfortunately, the only time we have a conversation about the success rate of planes is when one crashes. Like airplanes, we too are getting up every day. We join the many within our businesses and organizations, often going unnoticed, yet providing exceptional service to our clients, our constituents, the people we serve. That is until a significant event occurs that emotionally affects the way we see each other, the way we see ourselves, or the way we do business. The important question I often raise with government and business leaders is, if we do maintenance on planes every day, even when there is nothing wrong, why don't we do that with ourselves as human beings within our workplaces? As employers, we have an obligation to ensure the success of our employees. We do this by implementing programs, policies, and procedures to ensure everyone in the company or organization is healthy, both mentally and physically, as they go through each day performing their daily goals. This may include wellness campaigns, peer support groups, team building activities, safety training, social gatherings, and other internal services that assist employees in improving their performance or to aid them during difficult times in both their professional and personal lives. Taking a genuine interest in your peers and subordinates is the first step to providing maintenance. Everyone in the organization can provide maintenance to ensure the success rate of one another. Don't wait until the employee crashes to start the conversation, or at that moment, it's too late.